Hi, I'm Marcy Degman, the Aspiring Gardener, and today we're going to talk about fall lawn care. The reason that fall is the best time to work on your lawn is because the growing season has slowed down and the grass blades are going to quit growing so fast, and what's going to happen to the winter is that the roots are going to grow. So what you want to do in the fall is you want to feed the roots and give the soil what it needs as well. So what we're going to do today is we're going to start from the top down and we're going to do some simple things for our lawn. The first thing you want to do, if you have a lot of leaves or a lot of debris in your lawn, is you're going to want to rake. I don't have any large trees up here, so all I have is a few blueberry leaves, which will be really easy. And in fact, they're so small, I can just mulch those with my mower. So I don't have to rake this. But if you have any kind of leaf layer that's thick, that isn't going to allow rain in or air circulation, that's going to kill your grass. So the first thing you want to do is remove the leaves. The next thing you want to do is lime. What I've got here is dolomite lime, which will give your lawn calcium, magnesium, and it will sweeten the soil. Lawns do not like acid, so what this will do is it will change the pH to a more of an alkaline or neutral environment for your lawn. Now, you don't have to worry too much about overdoing it, but the bag will tell you, this bag says that it'll cover 1,000 square feet. You don't have to worry so much about overdoing lime because you're not going to burn your grass. What it'll do is it'll just reduce the acid, and that is what grass likes. So you can do this in the spring and in the fall, and you can do more than what it says if you want, but that's a good rough amount to follow. What I'm going to do is pour that in this trusty spreader. There's a lot of ways to spread it. You can get hand spreaders and you can get this type of a spreader, but it's pretty hard to do by hand because you're going to end up with a lot of clumps. So you do want to use a spreader whenever possible. And basically all you're going to do is just lay down a line. A nice thin layer. You can go back over it a couple times if you want to. It's not a real big deal. You also want to fertilize in the fall. Now the reason for that is because the fertilizer will go directly to the roots of the grass, strengthening them for the next season. If you use chemical fertilizers, be very careful that you do not over-fertilize. If you use organic fertilizers, it's a little less tricky. So in the fall, we want to rake, remove debris, we want to lime our lawns, and we want to fertilize. And if you do that, you'll have a really nice lawn come summer.